Finally, bukas na ang EDSA busway station connecting to SM Mega. So, punta natin and see what we have. Okay. So this is the SM Mega Mall or Ortigas Busway Station. Not sure kung ano yung official na tawag dito. But here it is. It was just opened today, April 1, 2026. And very much low-key. Not much ribbon cutting stuff, but it does the job. So if sasakay ka ng carousel, the EDSA carousel, or pupunta ng PITX and manggagaling ka ng SM Mega Mall, or vice versa, galing ng PITX or somewhere in EDSA papuntang SM Mega Mall, ngayon very comfortable na convenient ng yung pagbaba at pagsakay dito because of the EDSA busway. Let's go down. And here's the bus station. Dito ang papuntang southbound and sa right ko ang northbound. Just walk around the station. This is the original site ng the station, yung Ortigas station. Interestingly, open pa yung connection to the Line 3 Ortigas station, the train station. And this actually this relates to one of the issues I have with this station. Kasi ang problema lang kasi dito, connecting from the bus to the train station, medyo mahirap pa rin. Like if bababa ka dito sa Ortigas station tapos sasakay ka ng train sa Ortigas station, aakyat ka pa rin sa what I would call Mount Ortigas na train station. Sana ang ginawa nila from this busway station, kumuha sila ng elevated bridgeway hanggang doon sa Ortigas Line 3 station para at least conveniente sa mga lilipat between the bus and the train. Ang isang napansin nyo siguro, while there is the connection to SM Mega Mall on my left, on the right, wala pa siyang connection doon. From what I read, may mga right-of-way issues pang inaayos. Pero the people who have constructed the station, particularly SM, has committed na dugtungan ito ng connection para sa southbound, like yung mga at least mga papuntang Star Mall, mga papuntang Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong, hindi na mahirapang tumawid at umakyat. So that is it. The SM Mega Mall Ortigas Busway Station is now open, and despite yung mga negatives na napansin ko, it's a very big win for commuters, for pedestrians, for everyone, na hindi na maghihirapang sumakay bumaba sa busway station dito sa Ortigas. That's it, and I hope you like this video, and talk to you soon.